Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 12th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time, and this one will be number 8707. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. 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 Double O here, 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there. But they do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So their box should be a 1 then. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.